Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, how are you all? Hope that you people are enjoying your lessons and you people are enjoying this way of online studies. Yes, we are very lucky people who are having the online studies, and we are, without wasting our time, we are just having a, you can say, good way of communicating with each other. Okay, in my first I think so I can have a, you can say, review of your previous lessons. In the four previous lessons, we have talked about the basic structure of the skeleton, what are the different bones which are present inside the skeleton, and even what are the what the bones are made up of. And in particularly in our today's topic, we will we are more concerned about the function of the skeleton. Again, in previous topics, we are going through the basic structure, the basic structures of the bone, the basic names of the bones, which bone is present at which place, and even we have done the comparison between the skeleton of human and skeleton of different animals. So we are very familiar about each and every bone inside our body, what that bone, by which name we can call that bone. So if you people remember my lesson 1, in the lesson 1 I told you people that skeleton is a framework of bones which can provide us shape. The first important function is that skeleton provides us a proper shape, and I have given you the example in that lesson, if you people remember, that if we are having, just for a minute consider that we are having no bones inside our body, we are having no skeleton inside our body, how our body will look like a jellyfish, like a piece of a meat, like a piece of a flesh. So it's very clear from that point that yes, skeleton is providing us a very important, you can say, the skeleton is providing us with a very proper shape, that due to that shape, our whole appearance depend upon that shape also. Okay, today we will talk about, other than giving the shape, we will talk about the other important functions of skeleton. Second important function of the skeleton is that it can provide us or animals with a support. It can provide us or animals with a support. Again, without skeleton, we will just a piece of flesh, like your Play-Doh. We will look like your Play-Doh having no bones inside us. Okay. So, first important function, it can give us a shape. Second important function, it can support our bodies. Third, very important point, just consider, are you able that my hand is showing the movement? My hand is also made up of so many small bones. So at every point, I am having the movable joints, which is allowing my different parts to move. Like you can see the movement of my finger. In the same way, I'm having the joint here, which is able to show the movement of my hand. In the other way, I'm having my elbow joint here, which is able to move my hand in any direction. I'm able to move my hand in, and sorry, I am able to move my arm in any direction. In the same way, I'm having a shoulder blade here, which are able to move my shoulder in any direction. So the third important function is that it can allows us to move. So I think it's very clear to you people. Come to the last important function of the skeleton. The last important function of the skeleton is that it can protect our many vital organs. You people remember in my previous lessons? I think so. When I was talking about in particularly each and every bone, at the same time, I just introduced the function of that bones also. For example, we are having a very delicate organ that we call brain here. So that brain is supposed to protect. Which organ is which you can say bone is supposed to protect our brain? It's a skull. In the same way, in our chest cavity, we are having rib cage, and I told you people previously also that the rib cage is supposed to protect our two vital organs, when one we call heart, other we call lungs. So is it clear to you people? One we call heart and other is called lungs. So we can say that yes, Now just have a clear, you can say, observe my words carefully. I'm just talking about the function of the skeleton. Function, if we talk about the function, so we can say that skeleton provide a framework for the body of humans and animals. Skeleton give us a unique shape. Skeleton give us a unique shape. Skeleton supports our body. Skeleton support our body. Skeleton allow us to move. Even my jawbone is allowing me to move my facial you can say show the facial expression. In the same way, every body, you can say, bone is, you can say, showing the movement. And the last one, skeleton is protecting many vital organs. Okay, now I think so we can start with the proper reading of your book. Open page number 12. Today we are starting with the reading of the page number 12.